Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix update Apple ID settings stuck on iPhone in iOS 15.3. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Update Apple ID setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap update Apple ID setting. Tap continue. Enter your Apple ID password. Tap sign in. Enter old passcode. Tap forget iPhone passcode. Reset encrypt data. Again reset encrypt data. Tip number 2. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down. Tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset network setting. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Tip number 3. Change Apple ID password. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Apple ID. Tap Password and Security. Tap Change Password. Enter your two-factor code. Enter your current password, new password, and verify password. Tap Change it. Tip number 4. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, and 13 Pro Max. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the volume down button. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the home button. Thanks for watching this video.